There are many ways to split text into smaller parts in Excel. One of the easiest way to do that is using the text to columns utility. You can split text into multiple columns based on a delimiter or fixed width. Let's take a look. Here we have a list of names and we want to split the first name, all the middle names, and the last name into different columns. Let's see how we can do that using the text to columns utility. I will begin by selecting the data from cell A2 to A13. Go to the data menu, click on text to columns. This launches a wizard which says convert text to columns wizard, and we are on step 1 of 3. We also see a preview of the data that we've selected. The important thing in this step is to decide whether we want to split basis a delimiter or basis a fixed width. We will select delimiter because we will split the names wherever we encounter a space. This option is currently selected as delimited. Click on next. On this step, we need to select the delimiter basis which we want to split our text. By default, tab is selected. However, we know that for us space is the delimiter. Therefore, I will select space and deselect tab. Now you'll see another checkbox on the right, treat consecutive delimiters as 1. So in our case, if a name has more than one space between the first and the last name, it will treat that as only a single space and remove it. This takes care of any typing mistakes that may inadvertently creep in. To show you how this functionality works, I have deliberately added a lot of spaces between the first name Sean and last name Stevens on row 8. At the bottom, it shows the preview. This preview is the result after splitting the columns based on the delimiter we've selected. And you can already see in the preview that it is splitting Sean Stevens correctly, irrespective of the multiple spaces that we've introduced deliberately. Now press next. On this step, we can provide the format of the split text and also the destination. By default, it has taken A2 as the destination. Let's change that to B2. Now, all you need to do is press finish. And as you do, you see that all the names have been split and are shown in separate columns. So that's how simple it is to use the text to columns utility. Hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.